Today I'm going to show you a situation on the road that I record with my dashcam that I almost crashed into the side of another car in the roundabout. But before I show you the clip, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see the upcoming videos that I will publish. So let's roll the clip and then I will comment on it. So that was the situation. I almost crashed into that car. Let's see it again. I'm on the roundabout, and when I'm doing the turn, the car should give me priority but accelerates and made me brake not to crash. This is a problem with roundabouts, with people that don't understand how roundabouts work, that they have to give priority to the drivers on the roundabout. And in this case, the driver didn't give priority, just accelerates and made me brake, and when I hit the brakes, the car behind me almost crashed into me. So I had to accelerate right after. So this is a very big problem. Normally the roundabouts are in a circular shape, but this one you can see that it's long in the rectangular shape. So they don't think they have to give priority. They don't see that as a roundabout. This is a very big problem with these types of roundabouts, especially in this country. So I would like to hear your opinion. Write a comment about these types of roundabouts and these normal roundabouts on your country. Now let's see the road signs. So in the roundabout we can see that this is a roundabout and I have to give priority. I have these signs here on both sides of the road. If we go to the side of the other driver, we can see that these signs is the same. The roundabout and giving priority to everyone who is in the roundabout. So the driver had the signs, but the driver didn't stop and almost made me crash into him. So in this case, this driver had to give me priority, or even had to stop to let me pass, because I am inside the roundabout and I have full priority when turning on the roundabout. So this situation made me mad, but I didn't do anything. I just let the driver go away and I went my way because everything was fine. But these types of situations irritate me a lot because drivers don't know how to drive. But I would really like to hear your opinion about the roundabouts. So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more dashcam videos that I record, and comment about this situation. Was I right or was I wrong? Was this situation really dangerous? Do you have these types of roundabouts in your country? Because these shapes of roundabouts are not circular, are long and rectangular. So this is a different type of roundabout, and I really want to hear about your opinion of roundabouts on your country. So I hope you leave a comment about this situation and about roundabouts, and if you want to see more videos about these situations, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.